Hey there! Welcome to my new video. I've got a new stitch for you, and it's the Alpine Puff Crochet Stitch. You've got the normal Alpine stitch and you've got this one with the puff stitches, and it's a little bit thicker than a normal Alpine stitch. Maybe you can see the texture on top of this stitch right here. So this is the front and the back. And I'm going to show you how you can crochet this stitch. I've got some yarn. Let's unwind a little bit because you need some more yarn than maybe just normal stitches. And I've got a crochet hook of 5 millimeters. And first we're going to make a slip knot. And for the foundation chain you need to make a multiples of 2 plus 3. So first make a multiples of 2. So I've got my multiple of 2 over here, and then I need to add 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. So for row 1, skip the first 3 chains, and in the fourth make a double crochet. And in every next stitch you need to make 1 double crochet. So just a double crochet row for row 1. And if I do sound a little bit different, I'm having a cold, but I still want to make videos for you with new stitches. So that's why I'm making this video while having a cold. Okay, so row 1 was just a double crochet row. For row 2 we need to chain 3, and the chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of that first stitch over here. So the chain 3 is a double crochet on top of that first stitch. And now we need to make a front post 2 half double crochet puff stitch. It goes like this, so yarn over and make put your yarn from the front on around that next double crochet, so from the front to the back around that double crochet to the front again with your hook. Grab your yarn and pull up. Now you've got 3 loops on your hook. We need to do this one more time, so yarn over, put your hook around that double crochet, so from the front to the back to the front, grab your yarn, pull up. Now you've got 5 loops on your hook, and first we're gonna make yarn over and draw to the first 4 loops on your hook, and you left at the other one. So now you've got 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you made your front post 2 half double crochet puff stitch. Into the next stitch we're gonna make a normal double crochet. And just continue this for the rest of this row. So around that next double crochet from row 1, make a front post 2 half double crochet puff stitch. So yarn over, put your hook around that double crochet, yarn over, pull up your loop, 3 loops on your hook. I don't know why it's not focusing my camera. So yarn over, and again around that double crochet, drop a loop. Now 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. On top of the next stitch make a double crochet. I'm gonna get some more yarn so I can crochet easier. Okay, so just continuing doing this. So I'm going to show you slowly what I'm doing. So with a normal front post half double crochet or a normal front post double crochet, you just do it once with wrapping your yarn and your needle around that stitch over here. This normally would make a front post double crochet or a front post half double crochet like this, but now you need to make a puff stitch out of it. And you are using the first 4 loops first to put your yarn through, and then grab your yarn and pull it to the last 2 stitches, so your puff stitch really comes up on top of your work. So we've got 1 more double crochet left and a chain 3. So around that last double crochet make your puff stitch, your front post, 2 half double crochet, puff stitch, and then on top of the chain 3, 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, make your last double crochet. So you started with a double crochet because the chain 3 counted as a double crochet, so you are ending your row with 1 double crochet too. And then it looks like this. So for row 3, chain 3, turn your work. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of that first stitch. And now in every stitch, I'm gonna pull my work apart a little bit, so maybe you can see it a little bit better. So in those next stitches, we're gonna make 1 double crochet. So that first stitch you're gonna skip because the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So in that next stitch, make a double crochet and make sure to grab both loops. So just a double crochet row. So I'm gonna speed it up a little bit because it's just double crochets. So here's your last puff stitch. And don't forget to make 1 double crochet in that 1, 2, 3rd chain from those first chain 3. Now chain 3, turn your work, and all you need to do is to repeat row 2 and row 3. So we just made a row 3. I'm gonna grab some more yarn. So this is row 3, and now we're gonna repeat row 2 again. So row 2 and 3 is all you need to repeat. So I'm gonna show you one more time. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of the first stitch. So around that next double crochet from row 3, we're gonna make a front post 2 half double crochet puff stitch. Into the next one, a normal double crochet. Around that next double crochet, make a puff stitch. I'm gonna call it a puff stitch because it's just a mouthful to say constantly front post 2 half double crochet puff stitch. So it's all just the same for this pattern. It's not a difficult pattern, it's just a 2-row repeat. So I'm almost done with this row. So you've got one more double crochet and then your chain 3 over here. So make that front post puff, stitch around that last double crochet, and then on top of the chain 3 make your last double crochet, and just continue working this up until your project is done. And maybe you can see, if I get my swatch over here, you can see that the sides are a little bit scalloped, and if you want to make a blanket or a scarf, then it would be nice to make just 1 or 2 rows of single crochet, so your edges will be nice and straight if you like that. But you can also leave it like this, just what you want. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like, and if you want straight edges, what you can do about it. So this is what I wanted to show you. Hope you liked it, and I'm curious if you're gonna make something with this stitch. Just feel free to let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And if you want to help me develop my channel, there are 2 links where you can donate some money and help me develop my channel in the future. So that's just an option which I wanted to point out. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!